Sir, I present you these candidates, or in absentia, for certificates, prizes, or medals in the Department of English, who have been certified after examination in various add-on and certificate courses in several events organized by Dijendrolal College, and also duly qualified to receive certificates, prizes, or medals for their ranks in the University of Kalyani examinations in different semesters.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Principal of Dijendrolal College, I admit you to the certificates, prizes, and medals in the Department of English, for which you have been eligible, and in token thereof, you are presented with these certificates, prizes, and medals. And I authorize you to wear of robes ordained as the insignia of your achievements. I further charge you to be scrupulously honest in thoughts, words, and deeds in the discharge of your duties in your profession, and to uphold the dignity, integrity, and honor of this college as well. You shall uphold and elevate social order and the well-being of your fellow citizens, and shall devote all your energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideals of your country.
Sir, at first, I submit before you the recipients of medals as the rank holders in the semester and in final examinations conducted by the University of Kalyani.
Please put your hands together for them.
The recipients are Obhirup Pathok, Antora Pal, Shusheta Roy, Shuchitra Devi Nath, Orpon Odhikari, Sharnali Sheel, Sneha Mondol, once again Shusheta Roy, Ontu Noshkor, once again Obhirup Pathok, once again Antora Pal, Chandrima Patro, Shuprita Dotto, and last but not the least, Shusheta Roy once again. Sir, next I submit before you the recipients of certificates for duly qualifying certificate course conducted by the Department of English, Dijendrolal College. I call the names. Sharnali Sheel, স্নেহা মণ্ডল, সুদীপ সাধুখা, বিথি বিশ্বাস, প্রীতি বিশ্বাস, শ্রেয়ানাথ, অন্তরা বিশ্বাস, দেবরাজ পাল, দীপাংশু ঘোষ, পৃথা ভট্টাচার্য, পৃথা মুস্তাফি, রেনেসা রয়, রিমি বিশ্বাস, রিঙ্কি দাস, অঙ্কন ঘোষ, মধুমিতা বোস, পৌলমী বিশ্বাস, সায়ন দাস, দিশা বিশ্বাস, and last but not the least, Chandni Debnath. So, finally, I submit before you the recipients of prizes for their outstanding performances in cultural and in sports events. The recipients are Onjusri Mohanto, Sharnali Shil, পৌলমী বিশ্বাস, দীপর্ণা বর্ধন, অভিরূপা ভট্টাচার্য, বিদিশা বিশ্বাস, and at the end, once again, Onjusri Mohanto.
Let's hear it for the Department of English.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Department of English.